This is a true story, so keep that in mind. In 1911, there were two nations racing to be the first to reach the South Pole. The dangerous trek across Antarctica would stretch 1,400 miles, and Great Britain and Norway were both determined to accomplish this amazing feat. Both teams had a good start when they arrived in Antarctica at the same time. However, Great Britain had totally underestimated how difficult the journey would be. Their leader would drive them to exhaustion on good days, and when the sun was out, then sit in the tent and complain about the weather on the bad days. The team from Norway, on the other hand, had a plan. Their leader said, in good weather, we won't go too far and get exhausted. In bad weather, we will get up and we will go no matter what. They traveled 20 miles every day, no matter what. Good weather, 20 miles. Bad weather, 20 miles. Discouraged, 20 miles. They just kept moving forward every single day, on good days and bad. The team from Great Britain, which would only move forward when they felt like it, and when the weather was good, eventually stalled out, exhausted and oppressed, and they died there. Every single one of them perished. The team from Norway, with their 20-mile march, they made it to the South Pole. They won the race on the exact day they had planned when they set out. We march, we blitz, we rap, we repeat. We do it on good days, we do it on bad days, and we stay consistent. We march every day, no matter what we feel.
That's so good. All right, are you